Everybody, so today we're putting a hands-on network security lab using Manjaro Linux. It's a fast Arch-based distribution that's great for learning Linux and security. First, I'll update the system. This ensures I have the latest patches and security updates. Next, I install the UFW or the uncomplicated firewall. It's called the uncomplicated firewall because it's user-friendly. This command does two things. One, it starts the UFW right now. It also ensures that it runs at every boot. The next step is to set the default policies. I'm setting a deny by default incoming traffic. That blocks everything unless I specifically allow it. Outgoing traffic will stay open so my system can still connect to the internet for updates and other services. Let's allow only the necessary services. I allowed a couple of services I need: SSH for remote login access, and HTTP for web traffic. Don't expose unnecessary ports. Next, we will enable the firewall and then verify the rules. enable. Using the number rule lets me see exactly what's allowed and in which order. Next, I'm installing Nmap, a network scanner. I use it to test which ports are actually open on my system, which is simulating an attacker's view. As you can see, we have port 631 open. What is that? Port 631 is the IPP or Internet Printing Protocol, which is enabled by default on Manjaro Linux. On a desktop, it's mostly harmless, but on a server, it's an unnecessary exposure. Attackers actually look for unnecessary services like this. Now let's reload. Time to verify, which I can just hit the up arrow a couple of times. It's still open. 631 is still open. That is because of the common Unix printing system, or CUPS. It is still running locally, so we have to disable it. So let's run localhost again. And you can see that port 631 is now closed. That is exactly what we want. To install and start Apache, it's actually HTTPD. We have port 22 and 80 are open. We're going to add SSH rate limiting, which protects against brute force attacks. We'll enable firewall logging to monitor block traffic and detect suspicious activity. Logging enabled.